अच्छा है, क्वालिटी बढ़िया है, पिगमेंटेड है, और क्या चाहिए. Hi everyone, I'm Sanya and welcome back to my channel. Before I start saying something, I would like you to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, to stay in touch with me. And today we are gonna be discussing one of the hottest sales going on. That is Nykaa Hot Pink sale, and without much further ado, let's get straight into the video. Yes, that was an attempt to flaunt my nails. Anyway, let's start the video. इतना बिल्कुल मतलब बिजी हो रखा है स्केड्यूल आजकल. मैंने इसको अनबॉक्स भी नहीं किया. इट्स बिन लाइक 7 days, बट आई थॉट ऑन नेशनल लिपस्टिक डे वी विल बी शूटिंग दिस वीडियो टू गेट दैट एक्स्ट्रा इफेक्ट. So yeah, so let me just quickly unbox this. First of all, this is such a task, I tell you. Okay, so I have successfully unboxed all of the products. They are like I think 11 to 12 products in total, and the first product which I want to talk about is this Wet n Wild white pencil. So why did I choose to get this pencil was in the first place was because I recently collabed with a makeup artist, and she tried this kind of nudish kind of kajal on my waterline, and it looked so chic, so classic, and ever since I wanted to buy myself white kajal thing. So I really want to try this because I can't wait to try this on my waterline. So let me do that quickly. I have applied it, but utna definition nahi aa pa raha hai because I have already filled in my waterline with the black kajal. So yeah, the structure is not that defined right now, but the product seems pretty decent. Next up, I ordered this Nykaa Lash Top Just Enough Drama in the genre Max Volume Plus Intense Lashes. I mean, I have lashes in the stock, but they are they give kind of natural effect, but this मतलब इसके इतने अच्छे reviews थे, so I couldn't stop myself from buying it, and at such a good price, plus it has a glow inside, so why not? Coming up next is this contour stick from K Beauty. I mean, I have to take out a second to say something about this brand because K Beauty is one of the brands which is topping my priority list when it comes to makeup purchases, because I don't know, it's so blendable, so smooth, perfect for beginners. I recently made a purchase of eyeshadow stick, one, and secondly I purchased this eyeshadow palette, and I mean, yeah, amazing performance. K Beauty, bang on formula, great job. So it's in the shade Beige Focus, which I think will go well with my skin tone. Oh my god, look at this. I mean, I hope camera is able to capture the thing. यार देखो, मतलब कुछ कहने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. ब्लेंड भी हो गया, बताओ. अरे मज़ा आ गया यार. I hope this can contour my face in the best way it can, because the reviews are so great for this brand for a reason, and totally loving it. Thumbs up. Okay, so this sale came right in time when I was running out of the stock of lipsticks. When I say that, I don't mean nude colors. I mean, I keep on making regular purchases when it comes to shopping nude colored lipsticks, because I'm simply a very big fan of nude colors, and one should be. Okay, so now I have made purchases of these lipsticks. Sabhi dark colors are like the ultimate classic dark colors, because people have reviewed me like Sanya, you can rock dark colors more than nude colors, and I don't know why do they say that, but let's prove them right. Okay, so when it comes to the shopping of lipsticks, I have never made liquid lipstick purchase from Nykaa. This is the first ever, and look at the color. I mean, I think it's gorgeous, and let me swatch it for you. This is the first ever liquid lipstick bought from this brand, so I think it can do pretty well. Oh my god, what is this packaging, dude? I don't understand that. Oh. Okay, so this is how it looks like. This is in the shade Begum. Okay, so let me swatch it. Pretty good, pretty girly. I thought it would be darker than this, but I think I can mix it and fix it. I mean, I literally thought that would be darker than it, but yeah, मुझे dark चाहिए था.
इस प्रकार की बचकाना बातें.
Also, make sure you take out a sec to check my Insta handle out. I mean, I post some kind of crazy content out there, crazy reels and dreamy photo shoots, so that will be a treat to your eyes, so please do that. I'll be leaving the link in the description box. Next up, there was like a mad sale going on this brand called Lakme. So I bought, there was this combo kind of thing, so I had I think I had to purchase 3 products and there was a product free or ऐसे कुछ था. So I think yep, so I bought this concealer, and which we'll talk about later. And now, talking of lipsticks, I bought 2 liquid lipsticks again. This can be used as lip and cheek tints, so there you go. First shade is Plum Feather and the second shade is Chocolate Mousse. So brown lipsticks मतलब मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगती हैं for a weird reason. बहुत ज़्यादा अच्छी लगती हैं brown lipsticks. So I always make sure that I have that in stock because that go really well. That looks very natural with the skin tone. And talking about brown lipsticks, first of all, I was a very big fan of this Madras Kapi lipstick from Nykaa, mini lipstick. But now I thought I should rely on Lakme for the thing. So let me swatch it. First of all, let me swatch it. Chocolate Mousse. Such loud color. Oh my god, look at this. भाई साहब कितना डार्क कलर है यार. मज़ा आ जाएगा इसको लगा के तो. ओ भाई ओ भाई ओ भाई, देखो भाई आपके सामने. इतना डार्क चाहिए था मुझे, और उसने नायका वाले लिपस्टिक से मैं इतनी इम्प्रेस नहीं हूँ. बट दिस इज़ गॉड डैम गॉर्जियस. आई मीन, I feel so confident when I wear these kind of shades. Amazing. Okay, so talking about the next shade, which is Plum Feather. So इसका शेड देखते हैं. ये नायका वाला जैसा ही लग रहा है मुझे. बेगम जैसा था नायका का, इसके जैसे ही होगा मेरे ख्याल से. लेट्स सी इट. बरगंडी काइंड ऑफ शेड मिक्स लग रहा है. ये भी बहुत डार्क है. Oh my god, so smooth, so pigmented यार. कौन सा है यहाँ? हाँ, अरे ये नहीं, बेगम वाला तो बहुत लाइट है इससे. ओके, सो इट काइंड ऑफ कॉम्पनसेट्स, और इन दोनों को मिक्स करके एक मीडियम शेड निकल के आएगा जो कि बहुत ही मज़ेदार होगा. ओके, सो वी आर डन विद द लिपस्टिक्स. नाउ लेट मी जंप ऑन टू दिस कंसीलर. ओके, सो लैक्मे का मैंने आज तक कंसीलर कोई ख़रीदा नहीं है. सो लेट्स सी हाउ इट परफॉर्म्स. नहीं, हाँ, वो मेबेलिन का था. I always rely on Maybelline concealers more than I do Lakme. So this is in the shade White Intense Liquid Concealer with SPF 25. Wow, it has SPF. It's in the shade O2 Rose Creme. Great. इसकी कंसिस्टेंसी देखते हैं कैसी होगी. खा लिए गए? नहीं. ओके यार, फोकस क्यों नहीं करता? ग्रेट. सही है, मेरे स्किन के हिसाब से है. मतलब थोड़ा एक डार्क मेरे पास कंसीलर पड़ा है. आई एम proud owner of horrible dark circles, and that's why I have to double what do you say, conceal my face every time I put on makeup. So yeah, concealing, when it comes to concealing, I have to be careful. I have to be very careful. So yeah, एक तो मैं आइवरी टाइप पे शेड यूज़ करती हूँ. एक तो मतलब ये ऊपर हो गया, ये डबल क्लेंस, ये डबल कंसीलिंग के लिए, और जो डार्क वाला है वो मेबेलिन का है, और ये आइवरी हो गया. सो या, हैप्पी विद द परचेज ऑल इन ऑल. और क्या रह गया? ओके, नेक्स्ट अप आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस बफ मास्टर ब्रश क्लेंजर. सो recently, I shall tell you that recently I have grown this kind of shitty skin because I have known the reasons. I've discovered the reasons successfully for that, and that is, one, I don't clean my makeup brushes very frequently like people. One should do it, one ought to do it once in a while, I mean once in a week. But जो मेरा काम है, मुझे रोज़ ऑलमोस्ट रोज़ मेकअप लगाना पड़ता है, बट मैं इतना क्लीन नहीं करती. सो आई हैव टू बी मोर प्रोपोर्शनेट दैट वे. सो या, आई ऑर्डर्ड दिस वन थिंग विच विल हेल्प मी डू दैट. पहले मैं ऐसे ही कर लेती थी वेरी कैजुअली, बट आई थॉट कि एक होना चाहिए यार सबके पास ब्रश क्लेंजिंग. So it has all of the patterns drawn here, and which will help you clean your makeup brushes in a proficient way. So yeah, there you go. Let's see how it performs. It's my first time purchasing this from Nykaa, and this was also for $2.99. Great deal. Let's see how it performs, although I don't know. So yeah, I ordered this pink color, but I don't know, that must be out of stock. So Nykaa sent me a purplish violetish kind of shade, so doesn't matter. Okay, last but not the least, दो चीज़ें बची शायद. हाँ, तो I told you no, this there was this offer going on Lakme. So ये मुझे फ्री मिला Lakme का इंस्टा, क्या कहते हैं इसको, इंस्टा लाइनर. या मेरे पास ऐसा ब्लू कलर है. पहले let me show you. Okay, so Lakme eyeliners are so economical, dude, and they perform so well at the same time. This looks so vogue, nobody can tell. It's only priced at ₹130, and to an utter surprise, this time the sale had both the eyeliners at $130. But I was very unfortunate because I had one already. ये मेरे पास पहले ही था blue वाला, so I didn't have to invest my money on the liners. But this was for free, so always up for free things, free goodies, freebies. Okay, so क्या बच गया हमारा? हाँ, ये बच गया. So I was running out of stock of the kajal as well. तो मैंने इस बार थोड़ी नई चीज़ें मंगाई हैं because I really wanted to try that, and if you're getting that at a lower price than usual, so why not? I can't apply this because अभी तो मैंने लगाया तो पता नहीं लगेगा that how does it perform, but reviews were really good, so I hope the very best for this product. वैसे when it comes to black coals and kajals, I always prefer this. Okay, ऐसा हो नहीं सकता कि कोई वीडियो में कोई पंगा ना हो. So memory card got full. So I was saying, whenever it comes to black kajals, I always prefer this Maybelline Colossal Kajal. Since the very beginning, I mean since I was a school kid, I always prefer this kind of Colossal Kajal because अच्छा है, क्वालिटी बढ़िया है, पिगमेंटेड है, और क्या चाहिए. Okay, so एक बच गई थी चीज़, ये Maybelline. This is obviously a repurchase because no foundation just sets really well into my skin as this one does, because I don't know, this is made for my skin type. And I was so happy because foundation का जब होता है ना, समझ नहीं आता था मुझे. I was very new to the makeup world, but I am happy that I got this product in the first place, and ever since there is no looking back. I am very fond of this product, and I think we all are, right? At such a great price. और yep, this was a repurchase. बाकी क्या रहेगा भाई, एंड कर दे. Okay, so that was pretty much about my Nykaa Hot Pink sale. I have just recently discovered this fact that people purchased a lot of products, skincare products I mean, but I didn't get a chance to purchase skincare because I am not a very big fan. I'm not a skincare junkie in other news, but my skincare routine is very simple and I'll be sharing. Having said that, I'll be sharing my skincare routine in the very next video, so stay tuned. And yup, as I always say, stay home, stay safe, and hit the like button if you really like this video. I'll see you next week. Till then, take care, bye bye. Make sure to subscribe to the channel, and yup, I don't know how to end the video, so I'll possibly say bye bye.